I think we were talking about sustainability
Yes,
and about
and
wool.
touching,
Yes, how wool can be a great source of sustainability. But is there any innovations that's happening from Australia's side?
Well, I think the whole sustainability piece and recycling piece, that's one of the things I've been really impressed with in the industry here, with the factory visits, the people that I've met, the likes of Square and Young One and a lot of the other bigger factories, is there is a dedicated effort for that sustainable use of the fibre. And in particular, which I was really fascinated by, the technology that goes into recycling garments, because obviously traditionally the wool, the fibre, whether it's cotton wool, the fibre won't hold, but that kind of they're using it for certain garments in blending and all of that, and it was just fantastic. We saw a whole, basically the size of this pavilion full of recycled material, and it's good to see, right? The amount of, you think about all the clothing that's made, the recycling piece is really impressive. Yeah.
One interesting fact I'll let you know. Wool is the most recycled fiber globally. There is no other. So anything that is made of wool, right, absolutely goes on recycling. The recycling of that garment is so much more easier, right? So if you go to buying, that's the recycling hub for India.
Do you think the EU's EPR and new policies that's coming, the ESPR, DPP,
So
the wool is one of those easily traceable?
Yeah, absolutely, we are working on that as well. We are up to date on what are the new guidelines that are coming up at EU. A lot of times, and we are also working on the life cycle assessment of the fiber in general, right? A lot of times these life cycle assessments are not done in a correct manner, and therefore in the past what has happened, we have seen wool being ranked much lower, right? But we are fighting it out there, right? And we are seeing now that these things are going to change. Like I said, it has to be sustainable, it has to be natural, primary, right?
And this product starts completely natural.
Yeah, and it's like air, right? What do you need?
Yeah, that's right.
The sheep needs just air, water, sunshine, right? Grass.
Good food.
Grass, that's all, right? And then you keep growing your hair, right?
There's a very old saying in Australia that the nation of Australia was built on the sheep's back. And that was all about wool, right? That's an old saying from when I was a little boy. That's what that used to all be said, that our nation was built on the back of the sheep. All about the wool. That's where it began. So it's a really important part of the ecosystem for us, particularly in the agri-food space. So, yeah.
Thank you,
Todd.
Thank you so much, Ajay. Lovely talking to you guys, and I hope to keep in touch.
Yeah, of course.
Thanks,
Thank you.
Ajay.
I'll stay in touch.